This is a practitioner-oriented certificate program. I work with my participants and see which industries, which sectors, which product they are interested in, and I make them realize what benefits additive manufacturing has to offer for them. In this certificate, we will be teaching the students best practices and guidelines for conducting qualification and certification of additively manufactured parts. No particular prior knowledge of computer-aided design is required for a participant. We teach them this on site. We start from a very basic level where we just have them send a pre-designed part to a printer and click print. Next, we have them design their part from scratch on a tool like SolidWorks or Fusion 360 and then send it to a printer. We're not just building the part, we are building the part and designing the material concurrently. So as you build your part, you are also designing your material, which might be new and never existed before. In the lecture part, I focus on definitions and terminology so that they can speak the lingo of the industry. I teach them the state of the industry, the emerging technologies and emerging applications. I also give them some overview of emerging trends, but also what's existing on the market right now. At the end of the certificate, we have them design and print and test a fully functioning part, starting from a simple test coupon up to a 3D printed drone that they fly themselves. Whether you use computer-aided design or CAD on a daily basis at your job, or you have very limited exposure, this certificate is suitable for you.